You click a button for a student discount and suddenly you are verified in less than 2 seconds. It feels like magic or maybe something a little bit more invasive, but there is a massive digital engine grinding away in the background to make that happen. We are looking at the gatekeeper of the internet discount world known as SheerID. Most of us just want our cheaper music streaming or half-price sneakers without any extra hassle. Brands, on the other hand, are absolutely terrified of people faking their way into a deal they did not actually earn. That is where this verification giant comes in. It acts as the ultimate middleman between your wallet and the corporate vault. You might think having an old school email address is your golden ticket. It used to be that way. You would just type in an address ending in .eee, and you were good to go. Those days are long gone because companies realize that alumni and former students keep those emails for years after graduation. Now, the system goes much deeper than a simple email domain check. When you type in your name and birthday, you are triggering a high-speed search through massive authoritative databases. These are official institutional records that confirm you are sitting in a classroom right now. It is not just checking if you have an inbox. It is checking if you are an active student with a current enrollment status. It is a digital handshake between the brand and your school. Most of the time, this happens instantly. You hit submit and the system already knows you are enrolled. But sometimes the gears grind to a halt. Maybe your name is spelled differently in the school records than it is on your credit card. Maybe you just transferred schools last week and the database has not updated. That is when you get the request to upload a document. It feels like a massive roadblock. But it is just the manual backup plan. They want to see a class schedule or a tuition receipt. They are looking for proof of life in the academic world. What is actually interesting is how they handle your privacy through all of this. You might worry that some random brand now has your full transcript or your private records. That is actually not what happens. SheerID acts as a privacy shield for the consumer. They look at your sensitive data, confirm the truth, and then tell the brand a simple yes or no. The brand never sees your private documents or your GPA. They just get the green light to give you the discount. This verification usually has an expiration date too. You cannot just verify once and ride that wave for a decade. Brands will often make you re-verify every year to ensure you have not dropped out to start a career. It is a constant cycle of proving your status to keep the perks coming. This system is not just for students either. It covers teachers, military members, and healthcare workers. It has become the industry standard because it stops the fraud that used to cost companies millions of dollars every year. When the automatic system fails, a human review process kicks in to check those uploaded identity cards. It is a robust, multi-layer defense against discount seekers who are no longer eligible. So next time you get that instant approval, remember there was a massive cross-referencing event that happened in the blink of an eye. It is efficient, it is slightly intense, and it is the only reason these deep discounts still exist. Without this technology, companies would likely stop offering these deals altogether because the risk of loss would be too high. It is the invisible force making sure the right people get the right price at the right time.